In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Brother DS-640 Compact Mobile Document Scanner. The DS-640, as its name suggests, is a very compact and portable device, measuring in at about 12 inches wide by 2 inches deep by 1.5 inches tall. The device is also very light, weighing in at just over 1 pound, and because of this compactness, it fits in most laptop bags designed for laptops larger than 14 inches. The DS-640 is also pretty simple to hook up and use. It plugs straight into a PC, Mac, or even a Linux computer via the provided USB cable and allows you to scan documents on the go. I have a separate setup video that walks you through the entire setup process, so feel free to check that out. The device is also powered via USB, so there are luckily no batteries to remember to charge and no other power adapters to carry with it. Brother does sell fully wireless scanners, but the DS-640 isn't one of them. It needs to stay connected to your computer all the time. If you're looking for a wireless document scanner, I'll leave links to a few wireless options right below this video. Once plugged in and set up, the scanner's main interface is the Brother iPrint and Scan app. The app seems to work very well on both Windows and Mac computers. It's a rather simple app, but works reliably. To scan a document, adjust the sliding paper guide to the size of the item you're scanning, then simply insert the document into the scanner. The scanner then pulls the page in a bit. Go into the app, click on Scan, check your settings, and then hit the Scan button. The DS-640 pulls the page through and scans it pretty quickly. The DS-640 can handle pages as wide as letter or A4 and can scan documents as long as 72 inches. It also easily handles business cards, ID cards, envelopes, store receipts, and even credit cards. It will struggle and jam with anything any thicker than that, or with pages that have staples in them. However, if it does jam, a compartment in the center of the device can be opened to quickly clear the jam. It can scan at a maximum resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi, which is more than sufficient to scan most documents and photos or graphics. The scan quality is pretty decent, about the same as what you'd get from the scan bed on an all-in-one printer. However, it is much faster than a printer at scanning documents, and Brother claims a maximum scan speed of 16 letter-size pages per minute. The DS-640 can only scan single-sided documents, so if you need to scan double-sided documents, you'd have to flip it over and scan it again. If you do scan a lot of double-sided documents, I can leave links to some duplex scanners right below the video. You can also add multiple pages to the same scanned document, and once you're done, you can save the scanned PDF to your computer, to a cloud service like Google Drive, or you could even send it as an attachment to an email. So should you buy the Brother DS-640? Well, that all depends on what you plan to use it for. If you're looking for a simple, compact, inexpensive, portable scanner to carry around in your laptop bag, this is a great option. But if you plan to scan a lot of double-sided documents and need the functionality of a wireless scanner, I recommend paying a little more and getting the equally compact Brother DS-940DW. I'll leave links to both these scanners below, so feel free to check those out. And if you own one of these scanners, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. And if you're already subscribed, please click that bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.